Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer in Charge, Fitrina Harmaini SSMA, and friends who I really love and praise is due to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the Almighty, good who has been giving us His mercy in blessing until we can attend the English speech exam without any obstacles. Standing here, I would like to about the negative impact of COVID-19 on education. Education in Indonesia is already considered advanced because the infrastructure is so fast. Education is a very important sector for the progress of a nation. For this reason, it is important to choose a residence near educational facilities in order to facilitate the teaching and learning process. However, this happened before COVID-19 broke out throughout Indonesia. There have been many changes due to the impact of COVID-19. Learning is not always easy, but it's time for us to innovate. It's time for us to do various experiments. This is listening to us listening to a better nation in the future. Teachers, students, and parents know realize that education is not something that can only be done at school. However, effective education requires the effective collaboration of these three things: teacher, students, and parents. Without that collaboration, effective education is impossible. Parents, for the first time, realizing how difficult a teacher's job is. What a challenge it is to teach children effectively. Then give empathy to the teacher who might not have been there before, usually parents, only now that their children come home from school, and that means they have received the best lesson from school. Now it's a difference. Parents are required to pay more attention to their children because during this COVID-19 period, students are indeed required to be more independent and study online only. This makes parents feel difficulty of being a teacher usually can only be taken lightly. This time parents feel what educators feel. Talk about the impact of COVID-19 on education. We all know what COVID-19 is, right? Me or we have felt the impact almost. Since the beginning of February 2020, Indonesia has indeed been hit by a virus called COVID, which has spread throughout the world, including Indonesia. I think it had a big impact on myself and others. Various losses have occurred due to this pandemic. One of the most tricky effects of the pandemic is the problem of education. I feel it because I was in college. As a result of the pandemic, I could not meet face to face with my friend and my lecturers because now, since the pandemic, all universities, senior high school is a new policy, namely learning from home or online. It's very difficult to meet face to face only on cell phones and laptops. So long it's so big. Not to mention when there is no network, especially I can't enter online classes because of network problems. Blackout problems can also affect the face online and connect a mediocre internet quota. On the other hand, since I learned online, the knowledge I have gained is very limited. In other words, it is difficult to digest by the mind, not to mention network. Constra- Constraints can break up and now be heard clearly, and another impact of learning online is when the cost of Zooming and Google Meet, which is expensive, and the aid quota is very limited. In closing, I hope that COVID-19 will end soon and education in Indonesia will be more advised in the future and not discourage students, including myself, because of the outbreak enough. Thank you.